part 5. In this video I want to explain about the combinations. This is part 2 in combinations. Very important questions. See first question. There are 7 batsmen and 5 bowlers. There are 7 batsmen and 5 bowlers. In how many ways a team of 8 can be selected? 8 can be selected. Selection means here a combination. A team of 8 can be selected with equal number of batsmen and bowlers. We should select how many members? 8 members. 8 members. What is the condition? Bowlers and batsmen both are must be equal. Equal means here 8 by 2 means 4 members bowlers and 4 members batsmen. So select 4 members from 7 batsmen and 4 members from 5 bowlers. Here AND indicates multiplication. Remember that, very important in combinations and probability concept. If you find out the word AND, then use a multiplication. If you find out OR, the word OR, use addition, plus. Very important. Here what is the question? A team of 8 can be selected with equal number of batsmen and bowlers. 4 members bowlers and 4 members batsmen. So what is the answer? 7C4 into 7C4 into 5C4. Here no need to write a multiplication symbol. Directly 7C4, 5C4. That indicates a multiplication. Don't use a plus here. Here we should select a total how many members? 8 members. See here total how many members? 8 members. 4 members from 7 batsmen and 4 members from 5 bowlers. This is the result for the first sub question in first question. What is the result? 7C4 means here we can write this as 7C3. Yes or no? NCR equal to NC N minus R. For easy calculation I want to write like this. Into 5C1, 5C4 means 5C1. That equal to 7 into 6 into and 5 by 3 into 2 into 1 into 5C1 means here 5. 3 into 2 means 6. Here 5 is 25. 25 into 7 means 175 is the result. Now see second sub question. Batsmen greater than bowlers when 8 members are selected. You should select how many members? 8 members. What is the condition here? Batsmen must be greater than bowlers. 8 members are selected. So here batsmen greater than bowlers means 8 members means 5 is greater than 3. Yes or no? Batsmen 5 and bowlers 3. And 6 is greater than 2. Like that. See 7C5 into 5C3. How many members? Total members? 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Here plus. This is one way of selecting 8 members. This is one chance. Other one is we can select 6 members from batsmen and remaining members from bowlers. Yes or no? Here condition is batsmen greater than bowlers. So 7C6. 7C6. We should select 8 members. 6 members are already selected from batsmen. So remaining 2 members are from bowlers. So 5C2. And another way is plus 7C7. I want to select 7 members from batsmen into 5C1. Total how many members? 8 members. Then 7C8. That is impossible. Here 8 members, here also 8 members, here also 8 members. This is and operation. So multiplication. This one or plus this one or this one. Now see third sub question, very important. A team of 5 to be selected with at least 2 bowlers. A team of 5 persons, 5 to be selected with at least. Here what is the word? At least and at most. These are very important. At least 2 bowlers. We should select a total 5 members. Condition is at least 2 bowlers. So at least 2 bowlers means remaining 3 members are batsmen. Yes or no? So 7C3 into 5C2. 3 batsmen and 2 bowlers. Here and means multiplication. Or another chance. 7C2 into 5C3. Here condition is at least 2 bowlers. Means 2 bowlers or more than 2 bowlers. So here starts from 2 bowlers and increase one by one. 5C3. This is also another chance. Plus total how many members? 5 members only. Plus 7C1. Decrease batsmen and increase bowlers because at least 2 bowlers. 7C1 into 5C4. Again total 5 members. Plus 7C0. I don't want to select batsmen. I want to select all our bowlers because at least 2 bowlers. So 5C5. 7C0 and 5C5. Now see second question. There are 9 green balls and 7 red balls in a basket. Suppose this is a basket. In this basket, 9 green balls are there and 7 red balls are there. Then find the number of ways. First sub question. A. 6 balls can be taken. Totally, we have to select 6 balls. Taken means here selection. 6 balls can be taken in which 4 of them are green. 4 of them are green. So we should select 6 balls. But 4 of those 6 balls are what color? Green color. So 9C4. Green color. 9C4. 4 balls selected from 9 green balls. So 4 balls are green. But we should select how many balls? 6 balls. So remaining 2 balls are from red. 7C2. 9C4 into 7C2. Now see second sub question. Red balls greater than green balls when 5 balls are taken. Red balls greater than green balls when 5 balls are taken. This is for your work. Solve and write your answer in comment section. Now third sub question. C. At most 4 green when 6 balls are taken. At most. Here at least means from that number to highest number. At least means. At most means from 0 to that particular number. That is the difference in between at least and at most. See here, at least 5. At least 5. Actually there are 8. 8 things. Okay, 8 things. At least 5 means 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. That is called at least. At most, here at least 5. Suppose at most 5. At most 5 means starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At most, topmost one is a 5. Here at least means least is a 5. Up to highest number. Okay. From at most means from 0 to that particular number. That is the difference in between at least and at most. I hope you understand. Now see the question. At most 4 green when 6 balls are taken. 4 green means starts from 0. 9C 0. How many balls? 6 balls are taken. 6 balls means 7C 6. Okay. Plus or 0. 0 green balls or 1 green ball or 2 green balls and so on. At most 4 green up to 4. 9C 1 and 7C 5. Total how many balls? 6 balls. 9C plus 9C 2, 7C 4 plus 9C 3, 7C 3. 6 balls plus 9C 4, 7C 2. Up to 9C4. Don't write 9C5 because here at most 4 green, up to 4 only. Do solve and find out the answer for this one. Okay. Now see third question. A group of 10 representatives is to be selected out of 12 seniors and 10 juniors. Out of 12 seniors and 10 juniors. See first sub question. In how many different ways the group can be selected if it should have 5 seniors and 5 juniors. 5 seniors and 5 juniors. Total select 10 representatives from these 12 seniors and 10 juniors. And here condition is 5 seniors and 5 juniors. Means seniors how many members? 12. But we should select 5 members. So 12C 5. And 5 juniors and means into multiplication and 5 juniors. 5 juniors means 10C 5. Okay, 12C 5 into 10C 5. See options. First option 12C 5 plus 10C 5. Here not plus multiplication because we should select 10 members. Okay, 12C5, 10C5 and is there, so multiplication. First option is not correct. And second option 10C5 into 12C10 not correct. And third option, fourth option. But this answer is not there in options. We can write this one like 12C here NCR is equal to NC n minus r. So NC n minus r means 12 minus 5 7. 12C 7 into 10C 5. NC n minus r means 10 minus 5, that is also 5. So 12C 7 into 10C 5. So option C is answer. And see last question, sub question in this third one, very important. In how many different ways a group be selected if it should have at least one senior? At least one senior. In how many different ways a group be selected? Means select 10 representatives. Actually at the top of the question a group of 10 representatives is to be selected. So select 10 representatives from these seniors and juniors. But here condition is it should have at least one senior. At least one senior means from 1 to maximum numbers. So here 12C1 and 10C9. Total how many members? 10 members plus 12C2 into 10C8 and plus 12C3 10C7 plus 12C4 10C6 plus and so on up to 12C10 and 10C0, or we can write like this also. Here at least one senior means first of all select 10 persons, 10 representatives from total members. How much total? 22. From these 22 members, select 10 representatives. What is the result? 22C10. But selected people are 10. In these 10 people, there are seniors and juniors. We don't know. 10 members are selected from mixed persons, seniors and juniors. But here what is the question? In how many different ways a group be selected if it should have at least one senior? At least one senior means subtract the case all are juniors. All are juniors means select 10 members from these 10 juniors. So 10C10, yes or no? 10 members, 10 juniors and 10 representatives selected from these 10 juniors. So all are juniors. All are juniors is not necessary for us because here condition is at least one senior. So subtract 10C10. Here 10C10 means all are juniors. So here in this part there is a chance to get 9 juniors, 8 juniors, okay, 7 juniors, 5 juniors and so on. It means there is at least one senior. Okay, 9 juniors means 1 senior, 8 juniors means 2 seniors. But suppose 10 seniors means no junior. Okay, like that. We can answer this question in two ways. This is one way and this is another way. This is also very important, you should know. If you have any doubt in this session, please let me know in the comment section. If you understand, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.